Welcome to the Clouds Painting Workshop, where we're going to find out that not every cloud has a silver lining. Hi, I'm Richard Robinson. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to paint clouds. What better place to do it than Sunset Beach in Hawaii? We're going to look at the structure of clouds, how and why they look like they do, so you can get to grips with how to paint these beautiful things which are always changing. I'll take you step by step through 4 different cloud demos so that you can paint clouds in a lot of different weather and lighting conditions. And I'll show you a simple structured way to paint clouds so that from now on clouds can be the most fun part of your painting rather than being a struggle. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world. So happy painting, let's get started.